In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate, flip, and resize an image in Microsoft OneNote. These basic image editing skills will help you present your notes more clearly and make your content visually appealing, ensuring your ideas are easy to follow and understand. To start, open your Microsoft OneNote application and wait for your notebook to fully load. Make sure all your pages and sections are completely ready, so you won't encounter any glitches while working with images. Once your notebook is open and ready, we'll begin by inserting an image. Navigate to the top of your screen and locate the Insert tab in the ribbon. Click on it to reveal the available tools. In the toolbar, select the Pictures option, and from the drop-down menu, choose From File. This will open a File Explorer window, giving you access to all the images saved on your computer. Browse through your folders and locate the image you want to add. Once you find it, click to select it and then press the Insert button to place it on your OneNote page. With your image now on the page, let's explore rotating and flipping it. Right-click directly on the image to open the context menu. Hover over the Rotate option, and you'll see multiple choices for adjusting the image's orientation. You can rotate the image 90 degrees to the right or left, or flip it vertically or horizontally. These options allow you to position the image exactly the way you want it within your notes. Resizing your image is even simpler. Click on the image and you'll notice small handles appear along the corners and edges. Click and drag these handles to resize the image to your desired dimensions. Dragging from the corners maintains the aspect ratio, while using the side handles allows you to stretch or compress the image horizontally or vertically. This gives you immediate visual feedback, making it easy to adjust the size perfectly for your layout. And that's it. You now know how to rotate, flip, and resize images in Microsoft OneNote, giving you full control over how your visuals appear and enhancing the overall look of your notebooks. By mastering these tools, your notes can become more organized, professional, and visually engaging. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.